Insurance Connection. We talk about insurance. So keep it locked right here on Power 88. I want to thank you for tuning in. And also thank the people that tuned in last week and came in and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. Thank you for your continued support. Again, my name is Donald Marquez, and I've been on the air now for 5 years right here at Home of the People Station 88.1. And I do appreciate everyone that's listened over the years. But I do want to encourage you, not only listen, but come in. Come in. Let's sit down and have an insurance review. This is why I'm on the radio, to help you better understand your insurance coverages. A lot of times people tell me they have full coverage on the auto insurance. They're good on their life insurance. They're not always good, really. I mean, the reason why insurance companies have insurance agents to make sure you are good, to make sure you are properly insured. If the insurance companies did not need us, they would not have us. And they tried to eliminate us years ago by way of internet and 800 numbers. They were not successful, although people like different pathways to purchase insurance, home, auto, and life insurance. But wouldn't you rather go to a professional? When you need a lawyer, don't you go see a lawyer? You don't go online for legal advice. Or you need an accountant, you go see an accountant. This is who I am. I am an insurance agent. I am an insurance professional. And believe me, these insurance companies would not have us. They wouldn't want to have us. We're on payroll with the insurance companies. It doesn't cost you any money at all to come see me. My number is 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is on the corner of Sahara and Rancho, across the street from the Palace Station Hotel and the U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment only, 702-236-2624. And again, I just want to acknowledge the people that came in last week and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. I meet so many different people every single week. Everyone's story is different. One size doesn't fit all. One insurance policy does not fit all. There's many times people come in and ask me about their insurance coverages that they currently are carrying on the auto insurance, and they're wondering why the rates are so expensive here in Southern Nevada. Well, we live in a unique environment, and I'm going to tell you, we pay some of the highest insurances in the country. I think we're around the 5th highest in the country for auto insurance right here in Southern Nevada. And you feel it when you come, especially when you transfer from another state to this state, you think the insurance may be lower, but it's not. Again, we have the bars open 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can get a cocktail 3 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon or anytime. You can get a cocktail. And that does have an impact on the insurance rates. It really does. People lapse on insurance. They don't pay their insurance premiums. And we all share in that responsibility. I know why I should have to pay for that. Well, we all share in that. Insurance is a collective. It really is. It's a collective, like a beehive. It's a collective. Everybody pays a certain price for insurance. Now, I was asked the question yesterday, and I had to throw it out there. The question was, if I buy a red car for my daughter, will it affect the insurance rates? No. Now, if it's a red Corvette or a red Ferrari, it will. But the color of a car does not affect the insurance rates. So, if you do have a red vehicle, you think about purchasing a red vehicle, go ahead and get that red minivan. It's okay. We don't ask what color is your vehicle. That's not a question we ask. Now, if you have a classic car and you have a very expensive paint job, we may need some receipts for that. But if you do have a classic car and you have it on your regular insurance policy, you need classic car insurance. Veronica's standing by to take your name and your number. Call her. Call her right now. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. She's going to take your name and number. We're going to call you right back after the show. Book you in an appointment. Sit down, and we're going to do a full insurance review. We're going to look at your home, your auto, and your life insurance. Home, auto, life insurance. We're going to try to save you money on that home and auto. That's the biggest discount you're going to receive. Combining the home and auto together, or home and rent, or renters and auto insurance. Your auto insurance and your property insurance, whether it's a renter or a homeowner's insurance policy, is your biggest discounts. Now, what are other discounts you may have that applies? Being married is a discount. Now, I've met couples where the husband has insurance, a company A, and the wife has insurance with another company A. I'm going to be equal on that. I'm not going to be. She has company B. No, she's equal. So, but they have separate insurance companies. you're missing a valuable discount. Now, when you were married, you decided when you got married you're gonna keep everything separate, but you're losing a valuable discount. You're paying more for insurance. Well, he's over there at Company A, and you're over at Company A, different companies, but you're losing a valuable discount. It's called a multi-car discount. Your married discount. You're losing all those discounts, and you're paying more for car insurance. Now, if you have your homeowner's insurance with a different company and your auto insurance with a different company, you're losing a multi-policy discount. Now, you combine those homes and autos together, you get the multi-car, the marriage discount, and if you're accident-free, and you've been with your insurance company for the last 3 years, call me. This is the customers that I can help. If you've been with your insurance company for the last 3 years without a lapse, with no tickets or accidents, contact me at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I'm an insurance broker. I do not insure you, not at all. I connect you with the insurance companies, well-known insurance company, A-plus rated insurance companies. I don't have any substandard companies, so if you have a lot of reckless driving, a lot of tickets, a lot of accidents, I really can't help you. I'm not that kind of insurance agent. I'm not. Now, there are insurance agents out there that can help you with a reckless driving record. If you need all SR22s and you don't pay your insurance every other month, I'm not your insurance agent. I represent A-plus rated companies, and they're looking for A-plus rated people. I mean, people with good driving records, people that pay their insurance on time, this is the people that I can help get a better rate. Now, if you're a little older and you're finding your rates are going up, there's a reason for that. Contact me at 702-236-2624. Yes, when you get older, sometimes your rates go up and you wonder why. I can help you to better understand your insurance coverage at 702-236-2624. Veronica's standing by right now. She's going to get your name and your number. Let us help you with that auto insurance, because that's the biggest hurdle people want to get over. If I can save you money on your auto insurance, right, and we're going to look at that home, we're going to reevaluate your property insurance to make sure you're properly insured on your homeowner's insurance. So many people in the Valley are underinsured on their homeowner's insurance dwelling amount. Yes, you're underinsured. What does that mean? Now, we don't care what your house is valued at. We don't look at that. We look at what it's going to cost to rebuild your house and the cost of labor. That's all we look at. The cost of building materials and the cost of labor. That's all we look at. If your house is on Laguna Beach, California, beachfront property, it would be worth over $1 million. A 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo will be well worth over $1 million. Does it cost over $1 million to rebuild it? No, it does not. No, that does not. This is why we don't look at the value of your house, because your value can go up or down. You know, remember back in 06, 08, when the market hit, and all the property values went down. Doesn't mean the cost of building materials and cost of labor went down. This is why we look at your dwelling amount, your personal property, your liability. Now, if you have a swimming pool, you need more than $100,000 worth of liability on your property insurance. I would put a minimum of $300,000. Now, that sounds like a lot of liability, but it doesn't cost that much. You're talking about a difference between what if you have $100,000 or $300,000, the difference is probably what the cost of a cocktail at Caesar's Palace would cost for the whole year. For the whole year. So we're not talking about a whole lot of money here. We're not talking about a whole lot. However, we're talking about a lot of protection. So if someone comes to your house does not live in your property and drowns in your swimming pool, you could be liable for that. Because now, the season is coming around the corner now. Everybody's going to be jumping in the pool. If you have a pool, you're going to get a lot of visitors, as you do. I want to go swimming. Something happens to one of your visitors, they can come after you for the liability portion, because you you didn't pay attention, or you didn't have a fence up. I mean, they can come after you in different directions. Have enough liability coverage on your home. Make sure you're properly insured. 702-647-3688. Good morning, caller. This is Don Marquez.
Good morning, Don.
Good morning.
This is Miss Lois. How are you?
Oh, I'm great. How are you?
Good. Thank you again for all your valuable information. And I think I know the answer to this question, but still I want to put it out there for you to give me the full information on it. And last week, I am a new granny again after 11 years. Had a grandbaby, 7 pounds, 15 ounces, 19 inches long, and we want to see about getting some life insurance. Do we have to wait till we get that Social Security number back?
No. We could do it. We could. Thank you for calling. I appreciate you. You know, them hot tamales is just on point, as always. When people come to my house, they say, "Where do you get those hot tamales from?" You know, so they love the hot tamales. But to answer your question, we don't need a Social Security number for an infant child. Now, there's a couple of different ways we could do that for you. The child can start their own policy, separate policy. Or they can be added on as a rider on either the grandparents' policy or the parents' policy. Now, if the parents have a life insurance policy, we can add. Do you have a daughter or a grandson?
My daughter and the other granddaughter, they already have a policy. But like I told her, we need to go on and start. Don't wait like your granny for the dawn to come after you. Wait till you get 60. But, we want to go on and get her policy started. And I know, it'll be the 3 of them on the policy. They'll have a separate policy than the one I have. But because that's her family. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So I needed to find that information out.
Well, congratulations. Now you're a new grandmother and continue to grow in your family. Yes, we can help your family members, your daughter with her newborn, to get life insurance. We're going to put life insurance on the daughter, your daughter, if she doesn't have it already. If she does have a policy, this is why it's important to get a life insurance review. Perfect example. Now we can look at her current policy and perhaps add or your granddaughter on her current life insurance policy as a rider. It's going to be cost effective for her to add her on as a rider. It's going to cost less, and it's going to cover up to 50% of the face amount of your daughter's life insurance policy.
The baby's only a week old when she can, get situated and, don't want to bring the baby out too early, only if it's for the doctor's appointments. But we'll get a chance and come into the office and, sit down and talk to you and make an appointment and try and get that taken care of. I appreciate you for all of your support and the information that you provide to the community, and thank you once again. And I promise you, the grandbaby won't slow me down. Oh no,
we don't need to. I appreciate all the comments but the thing of growing a family is a beautiful experience. However, we don't need to see your granddaughter or grandchild, or any of your grandchildren. If they're under 17, the parents are the owners of their policies, whether they're a rider or whether they have their own insurance. We don't need to see the children. We just don't because they can't answer the health insurance questions because they're underage, and the parent would have to be the owner of the policy. I want to appreciate you calling in. Thank you so much.
Well, let me say this, and I'm going to get off. Well, to us, the baby is like American Express. We're not going to leave home without her, and we'll come to the office. Okay. With that said, continue your show, and you have a blessed day, okay?
All right. Okay.
Thank you, Don.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Take care. When a woman is determined to do something, they're going to do it. So if she want to bring the baby in, we welcome babies. We welcome children all the time. Right at my office, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building located on the 8th floor. Contact me at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. And if you want to get in touch with Ms. Lois, call me, and because she makes some hot tamales that is out of this world. She make hot tamales just like my mom. And I tell her that when I see her. 702-236-2624. My name is Donald Marquez. If you're just tuning in, this is Your Insurance Connection. I'm an insurance broker that I can place you with insurance companies, different insurance companies for home, auto, and life insurance. I represent multiple insurance companies for home and auto, 66 life insurance companies, 25 home and auto insurance companies. I can find an insurance company for you. Again, if you've been with your insurance company for the last 3 years without a lapse in coverage, no tickets or accidents, no claims on your house for the last 5 years, let's sit down and have a conversation. Let's see if we can save you some money. If you're looking for that life insurance policy and you just don't know what to do, and you need life insurance, every single person walking the face of this earth need life insurance. If you ask yourself the question, I'm going to ask you, have you ever received a death benefit? Have you ever received a death benefit, a life insurance policy where you could take it and when you lose a loved one and say, you know what, I lost my mother, I lost my father, I lost my brother, I lost my son or my daughter. Here's a life insurance policy. Now, when you go into the funeral homes, they take this life insurance policy. The first thing they do is pick up the phone and call the life insurance companies to make sure their policy is being paid. Once they find that out, and it's not an accidental only life insurance policy because they do not pay for natural causes, and I've said that over and over again, they do not pay for natural causes. So if you have an accidental only life insurance policy, you really need to call me because you're just wasting your money. I'm going to be point blank, you're wasting your money. Because if you're not speedboat racing, auto racing, hang gliding, mountain climbing, why do you have an accidental only life insurance policy? A regular life insurance policy does cover accidental. I know it's a lot of coverage for low cost, but you just throwing your money away. I'm just saying that. As an insurance professional, I do not offer accidental only life insurance policies. I mean, ask yourself, what did you do last year that you're doing different this year on your finances? 365 days ago, has your condition changed? Are you still kicking the can? You know, we kick the can on a lot of things. I need to clean my garage. I keep putting things off, but they keep piling up. Now it's time to act. A year ago, that'd be different. Stop living for today and start living for tomorrow. Get yourself a life insurance policy. Insure your family. Miss Lois called in because she's concerned about her grandchild just being born. She want to make sure the grandchild has security in the future. We could do that. We could build a life insurance policy now. The younger you are, the lower it's going to cost. And my millennials out there, the 30-year-olds with 2 or 3 children running around the house with no life insurance. Single parents, you know, we can find you a life insurance policy that's going to fit your budget. Now, if you can go to club and bar hop and party hardy with the rims and the, you know, the spinners and all that, you can get you a life insurance policy. You really can. And you don't have to ask. Please, when you come in to see me, if you got to ask somebody to get a life insurance policy, ask them before you come to see me. Let me say that again. If you come in to see me and you need to ask someone's permission to get a life insurance policy, or you need to discuss it with your family members, do it before you come to see me. Because that's not an excuse anymore. I got to go talk to such and such and see if it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You know why it's okay? Because then you letting them know you don't have to pay this bill when I pass away. They're going to say it's fine. I had an 84-year-old man come to see me. He told me I had to go talk to his daughter about getting some life insurance. What conversation can you have at 84? There's no conversation to have at 84 to get life insurance. Now, we can write you from 0 to 85 for life insurance policies. From 0 to 85. Call us at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. At 84 years young, you don't have to ask anyone permission to get a life insurance policy. They're going to be glad you got a life insurance policy at 84. 702-236-2624. I want to thank the people on Facebook. We're going to get right down to our Facebook questions. Good morning, Frank. I'm fired up today, as you can see.
Good morning. How's it going?
I'm good. Engineer, can we cue his mic up, please? All right.
Good?
Yeah, now, here we go. Real live radio.
All right. We got a few life insurance questions here. The first one, the person wants to know, does it make sense to buy both term insurance and permanent life insurance?
Well, that could be a plan. Now, I've introduced both. Because if you have a mortgage, let's say you want to divide it up a little bit. You have a 30-year mortgage. You want to get a 30-year life insurance policy in place. You want to cover that mortgage. Now, we're not going to get you a decreasing term insurance policy. We're going to get you a 30-year or a 20-year term life insurance policy to cover that mortgage. Now, we're not going to make the mortgage company the beneficiary. Whoever you select as your beneficiary, that's going to be your beneficiary. Now, once that 30-year term policy ends, then you can have your permanent insurance policy in place too. You can get them at the same time. That's not a bad way to do that. However, I have a better solution. Just get the 30-year term policy. Just get the 30-year term policy. We're going to convert that over. We're going to roll the 30-year term policy over to universal life insurance. Okay, you don't have to get both. I strongly suggest get you a term life insurance policy and let's say you keep it for 10 years, and then you're going to roll it over to a universal life insurance policy without a physical. You don't have to show evidence of insurability because you've already proven yourself to the insurance company. You must pay for it without a lapse. We all must pay for our life insurance policies and not let them lapse, because people come in, they see me, they pay about $800 worth of life insurance premiums, they let the policy lapse. Now, if you plan on doing that, please do this. Send a life insurance company a check before you come to see me for $800. Because that's what you just did. Okay? You spent $800 of your hard-earned money. Something comes up, any little hiccup comes up, first thing you want to do is get rid of your life insurance policy. Don't do that. Get rid of something else. Get rid of that bet at the sports book. Get rid of something else. Don't buy that cologne or perfume, or you see out there those high-heel shoes, or those Stacey Adams. Do something different. Do not get rid of your life insurance policy. I'm telling you, because that's your savings account. That's that rainy day money. So, we're grown now. We're grown now. We're grown-ups. Don't come to see me if you plan on paying for the policy for 3 months and then let it lapse. Just send the company $300 or whatever that premium is for the last 3 months. Just send that life insurance. Hey, I'm going to send you a check for $150. I'm going to send you a check for $500 because, here you go. That's what you're going to do. And they're not going to give you your money back. So if you're serious about getting a life insurance policy, call me at 702-236-2624. We don't do lapses in my company. You lapse with somebody else. No. You get a life insurance company, or we get your life insurance company, you pay the premium, you keep your life insurance policy. That's your savings account. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. And again, if you need to ask someone permission to get this life insurance policy, ask them before you come to see me. I'm very, 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 very busy. What else you got, Frank?
All right. This person wants to know, is there a limit to how many life insurance policies you can take out on yourself?
As many as you can afford. Now, you do have to show insurability. Now, if you're looking to get millions of dollars worth of life insurance, these insurance companies will look at that. They will say, okay, you have $1 million, you have $500,000 over here, you have $300,000 over there. Now, they're going to kind of look at that a little bit to make sure, number one, you can't afford it, and they're going to want to know why you need so much life insurance. They want to see your assets to life insurance face amount. They want to make sure that balance out. In other words, if you want to get $5 million worth of life insurance, okay, if you want to get $5 million worth of life insurance, but let's say you have an income of less than $30,000 a year, they're going to want to know, well, what are you doing? That may not balance out because life insurance companies are taking all the risk. Because you're going to put a lot less in that life insurance policy than what they will pay out. Because after 2 years, and I hate to say this, even after 2 years, they have to pay even suicide, they have to pay after 2 years. So they really kind of want to make sure that the person they insure for these large amount of life insurance policies are responsible. They want to make sure the assets and everything balances out. Now, don't be afraid. You can still get a life insurance policy. Listen, if you have diabetes, leukemia, sickle cell anemia, we can get you a life insurance policy. Sickle cell, leukemia, we can get you a lupus. Oh my goodness, you have lupus out there, and you don't have a life insurance policy because you've been turned down. We can help you with that. Diabetes, we can help you get you a life insurance policy. If you have cancer, heart disease, liver disease, dialysis, dementia, now we can get you a life insurance policy. If you have family members with dementia, the person that has dementia, we cannot talk to them. You would have to be the owner of the policy. We can get you a life insurance policy. My name is Donald Marquez. Contact me at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building, 702-236-2624. What else you have, Frank? You have one more
you got one more. This person wants to know, is it possible to increase or decrease a life insurance benefit plan after it goes into effect?
Yes, that's a good question. Okay, so if you have a life insurance policy, that's a really, really good question. That's a good one. Okay, if you have a life insurance policy, let's say you have a $300,000 life insurance policy. You can endorse it and reduce the face amount. You can adjust the face amount down. You can adjust the face amount down. Now, if you want to go over, increase the policy, we may want to review taking out another policy, but when I sit down with you, we're going to get as much life insurance as we can at that time. Now, later on, if your condition changes, if something changes in your life where you need more insurance, we might look at getting you another policy. Once your policy is in place, the clock is already ticking with that policy. The clock is already ticking, so we don't want to disturb that policy. We want to take an additional life insurance policy out on you. 702-236-2624. My name is Donald Marquez. I'm located right on the corner, Sahara and Rancho, in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I have to keep saying that because sometimes people go to Rainbow and Sahara. I'm across the street from the Palace Stations. Chick-fil-A is right over there. 702-236-2624 in the beautiful U.S. Bank building on the 8th floor. Veronica's going to take your name and your phone number. I just want to real quickly acknowledge Like It Is Radio with Cheryl and Franklin on Fridays from 10 a.m. to 11 right here at Power 88. Check them out. They keep you up on social events and everything that's happening in politics to keep us aware of what's happening even in our own community. And also check out Sheila Smith. She'll be on tomorrow. She does loans. That's the name of her business. She does loans, and she does it well. Check out Sheila from 10 a.m. to 10:30 right here on Power 88. If you want to get your home refinanced, if you want to purchase that home, you need the mortgage first. She'll get you pre-qualified. Check out Sheila right here, Power 88. I want to thank the listeners for tuning in each and every week here at Power 88. We will be broadcasting this Friday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. And the Don Father contacted me this morning, and he said they're going to let him out Friday. So you definitely want to check out the Don Father. Now, the Don Father does I have a video, and the Don Father was one of the special guests on my video. He happened to show up at the right time. Go to YouTube, put in Your Insurance Connection. It's a 5-minute video, a lot of information in 5 minutes, and you get to see what the Don Father looks like. The Don is making his appearance on YouTube. Again, you put in Your Insurance Connection. It'll come up. It'll just show it has Your Insurance Connection. Open it up. 5 minutes and 40 seconds, I believe the video is. And I want to thank Miss Michelle for filming the video for me over there at the Las Vegas Films. She does a fantastic job. Thank you so much if she's listening. Wow, what a talent that is, and a community asset. I just want to thank you, the listeners, for tuning in. Again, we'll be broadcasting this Friday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, and the Don Father will be on the air. Thank you for listening. Until Friday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at Power 88, you just keep it crispy.